It is nighttime, and a Tyrannosaurus rex is seen peeking out of its cave. It seeks its prey after dark, giving them stereoscopic vision. It is one of the most ferocious predators to ever walk on Earth. The predator acquired its food through scavenging and grew incredibly fast and ate hundreds of pounds at a time. With its miniature forelegs, sharp teeth, and jaws so powerful it could crush a car.
Roar!
With its head so powerful and a neck similar to those of modern birds, it did not need proper arms. Their arms well adapted for vicious slashing, with long claws to inflict deep wounds on unfortunate prey.
Are you serious? Stop calling me a T-Rex. I'm not a T-Rex, okay?